Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Marjan. Marjan has been trading with us from the 11th of March onto this present date of review, 29th of April 2021. Marjan has a gain of 11.18% in total, a daily gain of 0.21% and a monthly gain of 6.60% and a drawdown of 5.13%. Marjan has done very well. Congratulations on your achievement in achieving 10% and moving on to $30,000. Looking at his account, we can see this week he's gained $500.89, which is 54.30 pips. Well done. And looking at the advanced statistics, as I see on Marjan's account, I like this because Marjan has only had 74 trades, and the part I like to see the advanced analytics. As you can see, out of 74 trades, Marjan has been successful 42 times and lost 32 times. So which gives him a 57% effective rate on his trading strategy. And he's lost only 32, which gives him a 43% loss rate. So very well and very good. Marjan has maintained a balance and achieved 10%. Looking at here, we can see Marjan's had a deficit of minus 0.326%, which is still within the 10% drawdown allowable limit. And again, Marjan's down by minus 2.15 and 4.08 and minus 3.64. And in between that, you can see he's grown as it scaled up till he's at 4.71, till we got to 8.6, and vice versa. We're going down and we're going up to 11.2%, and eventually Marjan we hit 10%. Congratulations on that. So looking at Marjan's trades, your best trades you can see are right here. Your worst trade was for $350.74, and your best trade was for $524.58, which was on the 26th of April. Now, looking at the trades you've traded, you can see Marjan has traded quite a few pairs. But what I like to look at, I like to emphasize on the pairs you're not successful with, which is the Euro CAD, the Euro New Zealand dollar, the pound Swiss franc, which is a tricky pair to trade. I trade this myself, but not very often. And you got the pound NZD. But looking at all your trades, you're more effective with the pound yen and with the pound US dollar, followed by the pound AUD and the pound CAD. So I recommend Marjan, stick to 4 pairs that you're very consistent with. And the CAD yen is your best pair to date, $851.81. This pair is a very good cross pair to trade because it moves slowly. If you catch it at the right trend, you're laughing. This is a very good pair to trade. So CAD yen, pound AUD, pound CAD, pound yen, pound dollar, and anything else you want to throw in. But just stick to 4 of the best pairs. And these 4 pairs, pound CAD yen, and the pound AUD and pound CAD, and you're going to be successful in whatever you do. Not that you're not successful, but you're going to be more consistent, scale and grow the account more consistently, and be on that level of success which you are on right now. Looking at your monthly gains, you had a deficit of minus 0.408% in March, and you made 15.91% in April, which is a very good gain. Well done. Looking at your 77 trades that you've taken, you can see your lot sizes have been growing with the account as well. And Marjan, one thing I'd like to commend you on from what I'm seeing, and I hope it is consistent, Marjan, you're the first trader I've seen in a while actually using a stop loss. Once or twice you've not used a stop loss, but you've used a stop loss and you're consistent in using it. Although the stop loss has been hit a few times, but you do use a stop loss, which is good practice and good money management. So please be more consistent and keep the stop losses in place, because when you know your stop loss, you know the maximum you're willing to lose. When you know your stop loss, aim for at least 2 to 1. You know your potential exit and you know your entry, and it takes out the guesswork of trading. So what I can recommend here going forward is adapt your strategy and lot size according to your risk profile. Keep your mindset and emotions in place by mastering your psychology. Read books like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. subscribe to the Audacity community app as well. That used on that platform, you see other traders like myself and other people sharing information, and you can grow and increase your confidence as well. Because the more pips you make and you grow up on the level, your confidence and your risk profile and your emotional intelligence will grow as well. So very important you pay attention to that. Learning how to control your emotions is the biggest part of trading that will determine how successful you are going to be and how consistent you are going to be with your success. So I wish you all the best, Marjan, and I look forward to reviewing your account on the next level.